Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today I wanted to give a tutorial on how I achieved this hairstyle. I have skinnier locks, so despite the name, these two strand twists actually have about 6 strands in each of them. If you are interested in how to do this hairstyle, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're starting with 6 locks. So as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The method that I use to do this is a way to kind of style as I go. So that way I'm not like retwisting my entire head and then going back over it and styling. I'm just styling as I go. So I'm going to take some spray bottle magic right here. This is actually a product that I make myself, and I'm in the process of making this available for purchase. It has helped my hair tremendously. Months into my lock journey, I stopped using all other products and just started using this. It's all natural. So basically why I'm spraying this is because I want to saturate the roots. The locks are easier to work with when they are wet. You just never want to retwist dry hair, number 1. Number 2, this formula is specifically really good for the scalp, so I like to spray it at the root and make sure it gets on my scalp to help with like dryness and dandruff. As you see, I have none because of this product. And lastly, because we're going to be using a gel, in the essential oils, I feel like in this product make it so I don't experience any flaking. So once you have the 6 that are nice and wet, ready to go, I'll take a little bit of hair gel and I'll just put it between my fingers and I apply it to the roots of all 6. So again, this is like a time saver, so I don't have to keep going in one by one because I have almost 300 locks on my head and that would take forever. Once I have it separate, I go ahead and I'm like rolling it up my fingers and I'm twisting with this hand as I go just to make it tight. And then once it's nice and twisted, I just get a clip and clip it right at the root and then move on to the next one. So take this one, separate it, grab any loose hairs that are surrounding it, and then go ahead and roll. And then add it to the clip. Styling as I go with this style is actually good too because I only need to use 1 clip. I don't have to clip a whole bunch. I just use the 1 clip to hold it until they're retwisted and I can put them into the twist. So I'm just gonna go ahead and twist all of these. Alright, so we have our 6 locks, they're twisted. So what I'm going to do is remove the clip, and I'm keeping them in my hands because I don't want them to untwist. And now I'm just basically going to split this in half. So I have now 3 locks here, 3 locks here. So the twisting motion is what we need to get into. So when you do a 2-strand twist, you have to twist. Yes, you're wrapping the hair around each other, but you also have to twist it so it doesn't come undone. Look at how I'm turning my hand up, and so every time that I pass, I'm twisting the hair this way. So I'm twisting it and then I'm twisting it. Twist 1, twist 2, twist 1, twist 2. And I'm also doing it so twist 1, this is twisted, this is also twisting. And I'm going under just like that. This makes it so that when I put the rubber band on it and let go, it doesn't just untwist, because now the hair is like twisting into each other, so it's not easy to unravel. Okay, so we got our next little group of 6 here. You can see that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. We're just gonna repeat those same steps. So I go in with my spray, Obviously, I could get a lot cleaner of a retwist if I were to go in with a comb at the root and twist it by comb, but I have way too many locks to do that with. And also, using a comb is a little bit harder when you're doing it on yourself. So now that the hair is nice and wet, I'm gonna go in with some gel. This time I'm gonna use a little bit more gel than I would on the other ones, but only because this is near the front, and so I want the front to be nice and slick back and neat. So I'm gonna apply that to the roots of the hair. I'll put a lot of gel over there. But yeah, just rub it through, and then I'm definitely gonna go ahead and swoop up the front too, and then start twisting. So get my wand. So now that all 6 are twisted, I'm gonna go in, separate them into 3 and 3, and then I'm gonna do my twist. So remember, twist 1 and then twist over. Twist up and over. Twist and over. Twist and over. So that way they can't untwist, because to untwist they would be twisting into each other, and the hair, I don't know, physics, girl, it's just not gonna happen. So yep, so just keep doing that. As you see, you can get it into a motion. Like, I'm not doing twist 1, twist over. I'm doing it at the same time. You'll get the hang of it. Okay, so sometimes one end is longer than the other. So what I do, if I have multiple long ends, I'll just split it. So now I put one in and you saw what I just did. And then I'm gonna just keep on going. Act like that didn't even happen. Put my rubber band on there. And then on this last one, the last little go around, I go ahead and pinch that end, that loose end, and I rubber band it up. So now I have like a nice rounded end, and it ain't scraggly. If you see here, these locks are actually locks that I made. So they are human hair, but I had a lot of breakage in the front. And so the front of my hair, the locks were like this long compared to the length that I have, you know, over here. So I basically just extended them so they could match the length of like my actual like red locks. I did it dark on purpose to kind of do like a reverse skunk stripe type of hairstyle. So when my hair is down or middle parted, it looks cool because I have like the black streak in the front and then the red. But yeah, just in case you're wondering why they're different colors or whatever. Alright, so this is the finished look. After I finished the ones in the front, I just went ahead and put them into a ponytail, half up, half down. I liked how they were hanging in the back, so I kind of left them out. My favorite thing about this hairstyle is you kind of get multiple hairstyles in one. After, you know, I'm done with this, I can take them down, wear them down, I can untwist them, then they'll be nice and wavy. So, you know, it's kind of versatile, and then it makes your retwist last longer because these are up and they're not loosening up until you take them out of the twist. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful, informative, entertaining, all of the above. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below on anything else you'd like to see here on this channel, and most importantly, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future uploads, and I'll catch you all on my next video. Peace.